Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today doing the forks on the WR250R. I've already got them off the bike. They are currently draining right now. It should be good to go here. Tip: if you're doing your forks, make sure to loosen the cap off the top while they're in the triple tree, or it's a pain in the butt. The culprit here, you guys can see this or not, that is covered in oil. That's wet. So clearly, seal's leaking. All right, so here I'm just wiping down the fork with some Simple Green and a rag, just trying to get all the grease and grime off to avoid getting any contamination in the fresh oil that's going to be going into it. Taking the cap off here, you need a 19 on the top and a 17 on the middle, or inside, and it just twists right off from there. So just doing some more cleaning, popping out the new fork seals and bushings out of the packaging, giving everything a good wipe down, but then I'm going to be re-oiling the new bushings and new seals to make sure everything slides on properly and easily. And now I'm just using the seal driver to drive one of the bushings in, as well as the new seals into place. And the final step here is getting the spring back in, putting it all back together with the fresh oil in there, and get it back onto the bike. You can see me fiddling around trying to get the right amount of oil, because you have to measure it from the top, which I think is a 4 1/8 inch. But anyways, there you go. All back together, ready to send. Question, comments below.